Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to run in this price channel, in this ascending wedge, which you could consider generally a bearish pattern, but this week we've seen a lot of coin, or last week, we've seen quite a few coins break out of these ascending wedges to the upside. That normally doesn't happen. Well, I don't want to say that normally doesn't happen. Typically ascending wedges would break to the downside. However, if we consider our higher degree expectation, the Elliott waves tell us we should ideally be in a third wave rally, and therefore it's no surprise these break to the upside. I just show it to you here, this wedge pattern, to highlight the boundaries of the current trend channel. I would not necessarily argue this has to break to the downside. The ideal expectations are that as long as we're holding $1, and that has been the commentary here over the last few weeks, we focus on higher, and that worked out so far in a 1-2 setup, which could now result in a third wave rally. And we're now consolidating in a very tight range here. This could be another 1-2 setup. I don't want to put that on the chart, it will just get too micro. But I added another support area for this wave 2 of 3. And as long as we're holding $1.10, the 78.6 retracement, basically we're lifting the support we can work with. The overall focus can be on higher. If we break below $1.10, it is a first warning that we are going to reset this wave 2 a little bit lower. It wouldn't be bearish. It would just lead to basically a reset a little bit lower in the larger orange box, maybe at $1.06. And then obviously we've got our $1 level. So we don't want to go too micro here. For me, the trend is up. We're making higher highs, higher lows. Price action is a bit choppy, but it could just be a series of 1-2 setups. We've seen it on various other crypto charts now. Expectation for me is still that we should go higher here, but the $1 level will be where I'm going to change my view to more bearish, at least short-term bearish. So let's see, we are now due a setback at some point here on Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum as well. Could lead to a bit of a setback on the MATIC chart as well. And if we do that, we might enter that area between $1.13 and $1.10 that I've got there on the chart, this sort of orange small box. After that, ideally, in an ideal world, but not everything is ideal every day, right? In an ideal world, we would rally in a third wave here. Next key resistance, as soon as we break above the range here, which is $1.19, so that is sort of the micro resistance level. As soon as we break above $1.19, we have next resistance or structural resistance at around $1.25. And from here, we should then be able to rally quite quickly above 159. I think as soon as we get above 125, we have a good confirmation that we are in the heart of a third wave rally. And yeah, that could take us quite quickly to 159, for example. So yeah, that's sort of the situation here. There is not much more to add. It's still a bit slow, but in an alternative scenario or count, I would consider this maybe as a leading diagonal of a third wave. So, we need to be a bit open here to different scenarios, but therefore the message is very clearly, as long as we're holding the $1 level, the overall focus can be on higher, with $1.10 being relevant micro support. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.